Hey everybody, it's Holly here again from Brindleberry Acres, and I'm here today to show you another cool new product from Lickimat. And today I'm going to feature the Slomo. The Slomo is actually a twist on their traditional lick mats, and the reason why is because they've actually created 4 compartments here instead. It's a little hard to see, but it is 3D. But there are 4 compartments here now that you can include both dry and wet foods. So what's really cool about this is you can put their kibble in there if you feed your dog on one of these mats. This is going to be a great way to incorporate both wet and dry, and the wet can be raw or canned or whatever you like. So I'm going to put another twist on this when I make my treats for my dogs today. But just to tell you a little bit more about this, it's a nice and solid mat. It's dishwasher safe, both top and bottom rack. But if you're like me, you always err on the side of caution, and I'm gonna stick it on the top rack if I don't hand wash it. And it's also microwave safe, and it's also freezer safe. So I'm gonna be actually freezing mine. So we're gonna do this video in 2 steps today. And yeah, so we're gonna see, I think we're gonna use Pebbles today. We're gonna see what she thinks of it. But let's get started.